Hello and welcome. This is Gordon De Silva taking you through Kashflow, one of the accounting software in our stable of recommended software, and it's even included in some of our packages depending on which package you choose. The it is a simple online accounting package. It is probably one of the simplest ones, I believe, that is out there. We've used many, virtually all, I would imagine, but there's new coming out all the time. So let's say many. And it is easy to use, very simple for the non-accountant, as all of these softwares are designed to be, because they realize that accountants don't keep records, but business people do. My take on that is only do your own accounts if you're doing it as a hobby because you really enjoy doing it. Otherwise, you've probably got better things to do with the 2 or 3 or 6 hours a week it might take to do your accounts, and leave that to someone else who can do it, and so that you can do the things that you can do, which is bring more business in and more revenue. Because the exchange of revenue that you could earn for somebody else doing the books is a bit of a no-brainer. Uh, this product also imports data from your bank account, which is really good, especially if you're HSBC and maybe Barclays and a couple of others. It's really cool to do that. And you can attach your receipts to the software, which means you can find it easily. Years down the line, if you want to find it, you just go to the software, supplier, and up comes a PDF with your receipt. You can use the apps to take pictures of it, of your receipts when you're at the petrol station or a coffee bar and stuff. So it's a really easy way of keeping records without having to deal with a load of paper. And of course, it comes with a simple dashboard. So we certainly recommend Kashflow. We use it for many clients who've never used software before and start using online software like Kashflow. Absolutely love it within weeks. And the one day, what all the fuss was about, why didn't they do it sooner? There's a lot of resistance to it because they want to do it, they've done it on spreadsheets for years, but it just takes a little bit of time. It's a bit like any new thing. Once you get used to it, it's super fun, super fast, super efficient. Well, I think Cashflow comes with a bit of a trial period. Talk to us about that, and we'll let you know. Of course, there's the online demo where we are interviewing the Cashflow assistant for us, and we ask some of the questions. We do an interview, and some of the answers I think you'll find interesting, because I think there are questions that you probably want to ask. How fast can you raise a sales invoice and stuff? So by all means, do that. When we do have a board meeting with clients, or when we run one of our profit multiplier programs, the starting point of all of those is, where is the business right now? What have you been doing in the last month or 3 months? How much profit you made? Where's cash flow? How much money you owed? 5 or 10 minutes max, because that's all it takes. If you've got a well-run records, that's how long it takes to get that information. Super stuff. Recommended to you. If you haven't used online software before, please dip your toe in right now. There's no reason. I mean, cash flow is something like £10 per month. It's absolutely a no-brainer. It's really easy to use. So try this one if you want to. There's a couple of others on here you may want to try, but they're all really good. Look forward to speaking to you. If you need help interpreting the data, because remember, these are all lagging indicators. They're not accountants' accounts. They're just information of what you've put in. If you put the information in wrong, you're going to get the wrong result. So I'd caution you against using the information to make big decisions or even important decisions. Get somebody who can interpret the figures like us, and that way you're secure in the knowledge that you're making the right decisions. Hopefully you enjoy the experience of using online software, and I look forward to speaking to you and to hearing your story. Take care. All the best. Bye bye.